Hi guys, in this video we will demonstrate the version capabilities, what means version in the design, and the ability to create a new version and what means the version in general. So first of all, let me create a new project. Let me add a name. So let's call it version demo. And let me choose some address. I'll pick the address in Germany. For example, let's pick the address here. Let's use this house. And let's create the project. Okay, so I will quickly go through these steps when we are calculating the pre-solar energy consumption and switch to the design. So let's first let me first describe this scenario. I'm going to outline this two roof edges, add the abstractions here, and let's assume the situation that I would like to provide 2 or 3 different proposals for the client for these two roofs. In one case, for one proposal, I will use one PV module. In the second case, in the second version, I will use the different PV module, and in the third version, I will try to attach also the battery options. So let me first outline this first roof edge, the second roof edge. Let me set the height also, the slope, let the slope be 30 degrees. And for the second roof edge, let's also set up the 30 degrees, and let's also highlight these two obstructions. Actually, more than two. Okay, so what means the version? The version means the different version of your PV module layout. So currently you always have the version 1 of your layout. So let me for that version specify this type of PV module for this and this roof, and do the layout like this, for example. So I have this proposal, 6-year payback period, 36,000. Now let's say I would like to create another version of my proposal with different PV module. The important thing that the roof obstructions, the trees, and their settings will stay the same for the version. They will not change. The version applies only to this mechanical settings, PV module type, racking settings, pricing, what else? The type of battery, financial options, all these parameters, they are part of the version. These parameters, the roof, the obstruction, they are not part of version. They will stay the same for all the versions. So let me click on this button and create the new version. So you see that layout disappeared. And in this case, I would like to use the different PV model. Let me use this and this. I would also modify the racking settings. I would like to use less spacing between PV modules so that more PV modules will fit on my roof. And I would like to also increase a bit price per watt, and use, for some reason, I don't know, use different rebates option. Let me place the modules. So you can see I have different proposal now. I have 8 years payback period and total savings 35,000 euros per 25 years. I can switch between multiple versions. So this was my first year version where you have 6 years payback period, this type of module, these tracking settings, this price per watt, this system price, and my second version of. Now, let me also create the third version, and I would like this version to be the copy of my second version. I would like to use the same settings, but I would like also to use the battery option. So instead of creating the new version, I would like to copy the version. So the new version has been created. You see that now I have 3 versions, and in this version I can rename it for, let's say, version 3. I can add the description text here that will describe version with batteries. And let me pick the lithium-ion battery and definitely place less PV modules. All the way out, something like this. So now I have 3 versions. Again, same roof, same abstractions, but different versions of the layout, pricing options, and everything else. Okay, so I hope this information was valuable and I was able to describe what means the different versions in the application, different versions of the layout in the application. Thanks for watching.